Alrighty, hello again, honors chemistry students. So welcome to semester 2. I'm not sure if we are going to be online at the beginning of the semester or in person, so I'm just making this video either for our online students or for all students, depending on where we're at come January. I just want to give you a general overview again of how our Canvas page is going to work. I've made a couple changes since last semester, so there's going to be just a few different changes, but it should mostly be very similar to first semester. So there is a new homepage. It's blue now. Our theme is blue and not pink anymore. Same looking homepage. The weekend preview is going to be very similar. As of right now, everything I'm banking on it being online, but who knows? So everything will be linked directly here. You have your warm-ups still every day that you need to complete before the next class. You will still have your assignments linked here. Everything will be linked here. Anytime you're clicking on anything, it'll bring you directly to an assignment, and that assignment is what is due. So for instance, everything is underlined here, so everything here is clickable. So when we go into properties of light, that's going to be your assignment later on this week. A video will be posted here that you're watching. I haven't made the video yet, that's why there's nothing there. And then you have an assignment to do. So you watch this and then do this. Notice you're only completing the first page of the paper. I'm going to try harder this semester to highlight important things. So you're completing this worksheet and then you're going to watch another video. Okay, so that is how our home page looks. Please let me know if you have any questions on that. Okay, if we are on Zoom like usual, the Zoom link will be posted right at the top of the home page. Okay, so everything will look like that. Homework will be on the side. Homework is always going to be due the day after the class, the next period, at 8 a.m. That is one of the major changes for this semester. Even if we're in class, things aren't going to be due in class anymore. They're going to be due on Canvas at all times at 8 a.m. So if we go into our modules, this is going to be a really important section for us. You have your important documents at the top, so I listed a periodic table if you need one. That lab safety, oh, that's spelled wrong. Let me change it right now. The lab safety form. So if and when we do go back into class, you're going to be filling out that form before labs. Lab notebook expectations, we'll do a quick little rerun over those before we do our next lab as well. And just some study materials. Remember to send me those Quizlets if you're making any so that I can add them to the class materials. Warm-ups are going to be the same for the most part. Most of your warm-ups are just going to be a text box that you have to fill in. Remember that warm-ups need to be in complete sentences. Okay, so our first two warm-ups are very similar to how they have been in the past. However, this third warm-up is a little bit different. So for some warm-ups, I'm going to start having like mini little assignments as a warm-up, so you will get points for these. So for this warm-up, you're going to be completing this document. It's 6 questions on practicing different things about energy. Okay, so it's kind of going to be like homework that I could have assigned as homework, but I decided to just let you do it in class. Okay, because I know last semester we did have quite a bit of homework. I'm going to try to figure out how to cut down on that a little bit. But these, if you don't finish them during the warm-up time, I'll give you maybe 10 minutes in class to work on it, then you would finish it as homework. Okay. So that's how warm-ups will look. If we go back to the module section, you can see that then we have our units. So our unit that we're going to start on here is electron configurations and electron energy. Notice at the top you'll always have your unit materials. You will always have the Unit 4 PowerPoint and the Unit 4 note packet linked. I am going to provide you the Unit 4 note packet if you want to come in and pick up a copy of that if we online kids, so that you can have it all printed out and ready to go. If not, all of our notes packets will be here, and it looks like this for the first unit. So you can either print that out or make a copy and type all your notes directly online as well. Okay. I also provide you with the unit for PowerPoint, which is seen here, which if you just click that link to the PowerPoint, it'll bring you there. And then just like last semester, everything for the week is here with their due dates underneath. Okay. A couple changes. I'm going to try to have Canvas gradebook and the gradebook on PowerSchool be more similar this semester. However, there still will be a couple indiscrepancies, so PowerSchool will still be our gradebook of record. If you have any questions on that, please let me know. Other than that, everything else will mostly be the same for next semester. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you all hopefully when we come back to school, or hopefully right now if you are in school. Have a great day, guys.